so mellow. Take a seat, right over there, sat on the stairs, stay or leave. The cabinets are bare and I'm unaware of just how we got into this mess. Got so aggressive, I know we meant all good intentions.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. For today I created this look for you guys. I am running so late, it is not even funny. I was supposed to be at the barbecue 3 hours ago, but instead I'm still here filming for you guys. If you want to know how I created this look, then just keep watching. The first thing I do is take the Clinique Beyond Perfecting Foundation and Concealer in the shade Honey. The reason why I really like to use this foundation slash concealer is because it's very thick, and I'm just going to clean up my eyebrows and then apply it all over my eyelids. And I am going to set it with a little bit of powder. So firstly, I'm going to be taking the Becca Skin Perfector in Topaz, and this is what it looks like. And I'm going to use this on my brow bone. For today's eyes, I'm going to be using the Urban Decay Naked Heat eyeshadow palette. And the first color I'm taking is Cayenne. And I'm taking He Devil, and I'm also going to apply this into the crease with the exact same brush. Now I'm going to take a little bit of En Fuego, and I'm going to apply this focusing a little bit more into the crease, and I'm also making sure that I use a denser brush. This way you can focus and put as much product as possible. Now I'm going to be taking Ashes, and I'm going to apply this on the inner corner and the outer corners of my eyes. So I'm taking a little bit more of the concealer and I'm going to apply this on the center of the eyes. And then what I like to do for a cut crease is just look up, look back down, and then you know exactly where it should be. So I'm going to take Dirty Talk. I'm just going to take a little bit on my brush like this, and then take my Slay All Day setting powder from Contour Cosmetics. I'm just going to spray it like that and apply it. Oh no, wait, the concealer is still a little dry. I mean wet. You don't want it to be wet. You don't want it to be wet. I mean, it can be wet, but you don't want it to be wet if the other eye didn't have the same effect, you know what I mean? Because then it's going to give like two different colors, two different consistencies of the eyeshadow color, and you don't want that. Now I'm going to take the brush again that I used to blend out Ashes, and you just want to blend that excess powder into the place where you applied the shadow. So it all just looks blended and smoked in together, just like that. For some reason, right? Like this eye is not the same as this eye, so it always looks a little different, which I don't like. So I always try to perfect it, but so now I'm going to take the color Lombre. I think that's how I pronounce it, I'm not sure. It's a beautiful shimmery, like gold sparkles into rose gold kind of color. I'm the worst at explaining names. And I'm just going to apply this in the center of the eye. I'm going to take a little brush like this, and then I'm going to apply some setting spray on this as well to get it as metallic as possible. I'm going to take the Eve Pearl Smudge Proof Liquid Eyeliner, and I'm just going to create a little line on my upper lash line. And for mascara, I'm taking the Maybelline, the Colossal Chaotic Lash Mascara, and I'm just going to apply a little bit because I'm also going to apply lashes. So because I want to go a little bit overboard with my eyeshadow, I am going to apply a yellow liner. If you would like to keep this look like this, you can definitely do that, but I just feel like it's so simple and everyday, so I just want to apply something extra. So the eyeliner that I am using is the NYX Vivid Bright Vivid Halo eyeliner. So I kind of feel, yeah, like I messed up the look. I'm not too sure what I did or if I even like what I did, but we're just gonna leave it like this. I have a barbecue to go to, and I didn't want to do my makeup and not film a video because it's the only free time that I have today for the next week and a half. So, I mean, I guess kind of cute. I don't know. Do I like it? I feel like it has a little something. I'm just gonna leave it, okay? I'm just gonna leave it and I'm not gonna do anything to it. I'm gonna apply lashes. For today, I'm using the Jade number 13 lashes from Huda Beauty. I really love these lashes and they're pretty natural. So I thought I would just go for some natural lashes. So now that I am done with the eyes, I am going to move straight on to the face, and then we're going to finish up on the eyes. We're almost done, okay? Almost done, almost. So first, I'm going to be using the Huda Beauty Complexion Perfection Pre-Makeup Base. I love this primer. It's very moisturizing, also really, I wouldn't say sticky, but it dries really fast. So look at me trying to squeeze it out. So you need to be really quick with this. And it smells really good. It smells like gingerbread cookies. Like, smells like Christmas. For foundation, I'm going to be using the Huda Beauty Foundation in Gingerbread. This is my absolute favorite foundation of life. I use this every single day and I feel like it's going to finish up on me one of these days. And that makes me really sad. I absolutely love this foundation. It's really good. And it doesn't break me out, so that is amazing. And my favorite way to blend this out still is with their Buff and Blend brush. So that is just what I use to blend it out. When I blend it out with a beauty blender, it doesn't give that full coverage look that I like. So I just blend it out with my brush because that just works so much better. So for concealer, I am just going to use a concealer that I trust and love. I'm not experimenting today because I had to leave like 2 hours ago and I'm still here doing my makeup. So I'm just gonna do what I am sure is going to work with my face. And for contour, I'm going to be using my iconic London Pigment Stick in number 5 and just a tiny little bit of 5.2. Yeah. Now I'm going to take some of my PS Instagirl banana powder and I'm just going to set my under eyes with this. And as you can see, I am really only going to set. I'm not even baking, I'm just setting it and pressing it into the skin. And then I'm going to contour my nose real quick. I'm going to take shade 5.2 that I just used I'm going to take a little angled kabuki brush and blend it out. So I'm just going to take the same colors, Cayenne and He Devil, and I'm just going to smoke them on my lower lash line. So I added a little bit of kohl liner in my waterline and applied some mascara on my lower lashes. So now we're quickly going to move on to the rest of the face. For bronzer, I'm going to be using the MAC Matte Bronzer in the bronzing powder in matte bronzer. I'm all over the place. I'm like in a rush. So I'm just going to apply a little bit of that. And for blush, I'm going to be using the MAC Ambering Rose Shimmer Tone Shimmer Blush. And for highlight, I'm going to use the same product I use on my brow bone, and that is the Becca Shimmering Skin Perfector in Topaz. So for setting spray, I'm going to be using the iconic London Prep Set Glow in... Madame, you're making noise. Thank you. In the color, what shade is this? This is the bronze one. I'm not sure what shade it is. It's just not the pink one. And what you have to do is you have to shake it up and then look at how amazing it's gonna look in this little bottle. Look at it. I'm just going to take a little bit and spray it on my face and then dab with a beauty blender. So now I'm very quickly going to apply the ColourPop Lippy Sticks in Hollywood Boulevard, which is one of my absolute favorites. And then I'm going to apply the Contour Cosmetics Rio Liquid Lipstick on top of that. So that was it for this makeup look. I really hope that you guys enjoyed it. I want to start doing more dramatic and very vibrant and colorful looks. So let me know in the comments down below which colors you guys would like for me to use. I have a couple ideas, but I'm not sure yet what you guys really want to see and what you guys want to see first. You know what I mean? So leave me comments down below and let me know what it is you guys want. I really hope that you guys enjoyed this video. Give this video a thumbs up. Click the bell down below to get notified every time I upload a brand new video. Thanks for watching, and hopefully I will see you guys in my next one. Mwah. Bye.
Crashing